Hello guys and welcome back. So before adding the night AI, I have decided to add the traffic AI. First of all, if you saw the introductory video, in that video you will saw some people walking around in the city. Okay, so that was basically our traffic AI system. And as you know that for that traffic AI system, we first need the characters, the animations, and then the AI scripts. So first of all, we will add the characters. For characters, you can go ahead and open up your browser and search for miximo.com. Okay, create an account if you don't have any account, or just simply log in with your Google or whatever option they provide. Okay, and then after that click on this characters, and in here you will find a bunch of characters as you can see. Okay, so for example, in our traffic AI, I have used this characters and this one as well. Okay, we use a bunch of characters from this miximo.com. okay, so you can go ahead and search for any character, okay, and choose that character for your traffic AI. And I have already teach you that how you can download character from miximo.com. okay, so you can download any character you want, but I will simply not waste any time for downloading each character from miximo.com and then the animations for them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I have this AI character winrar file in which there is the 7 characters which we need for our traffic AI. You can use even more if you want, and then we have the walking and idle animations for that character as well. This will be available, so go ahead and download this, and after downloading it, just simply extract it. As you can see, this is the AI characters folder. Okay, what we're gonna do with it is click on this assets and then click on show in explorer, open up this assets folder, and then just simply cut it from here and paste it in the assets. That is it. Then if you open up Unity, click on this AI characters. As you can see, we have this folder for each of the character and then the animation right here as well. So if you open up the first character, okay, this is the first character, then we have the second one right here. Okay, the materials and textures for each of this character is already added right here. Okay, so you don't have to do any of the work. Just simply download this winrar file, extract it, and then add it to your project. Okay, and you will be free from the hassle. Now if you select any of this animation, click on this animation tab right there. Okay, and as you can see, this is the AI character. So as you can see, it is playing the animation perfectly fine. Let me log this animation right there. Okay, and let's try the same animation for the other character. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine for the other characters as well. As you can see, okay, it actually works on all of these 7 characters. Okay, these all animation work perfectly fine. And if you see the rig of this, it is generic, no avatar. And if you see this character or any of the character, their rig is generic and then create from this model. Okay, if you are using my characters and animations, okay, which I am using, then just leave them as it is. So now we have the characters and the animations for the traffic AI. Now from the next video we will be working on the traffic AI scripts.